Today, I'm going to show you how to add an automatic date field in a fillable PDF form using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This feature is incredibly useful when you need forms to automatically populate with the current date, saving time and ensuring accuracy for documents like contracts, applications, or reports. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to Recent Files and select the PDF file you want to add the automatic date field to. This will open your document and prepare it for editing. Now, in the upper left corner of your screen, click on All Tools. This will display a comprehensive menu of all the features available in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. From here, look to the left panel and click on View More to expand your options even further. In this expanded menu, look for Prepare a Form and click it. This tool is specifically designed to help you create interactive, fillable PDF forms with various field types. Once you've selected it, click Create a Form to begin editing your document with the form preparation mode. Now active, turn your attention to the left panel where you'll find various field types. Click on Date field. This is the specific field type we need to create an automatic date entry point in your form. Once selected, place it wherever you want on your document by clicking at the desired location. You can always adjust its position later if needed. Next, in the left toolbar, click the Select Text icon. This allows you to interact with and modify the field you just created. Now right-click on the date field you added and from the context menu that appears, select Properties. This is where you'll configure how the date field functions. In the Properties window, navigate to the Format tab. This tab controls how information appears in your field. Click the drop-down menu beside Select Format Category, then click Date from the list of options. This tells Adobe Acrobat that this field should specifically handle date information. Below that, you'll see another drop-down menu where you can select your preferred date format field. Choose the format that best suits your needs, whether that's month/day/year, day-month-year, or any other available option. Once you've made your selection, click the Close button to save your settings. Now it's time to test your automatic date field to ensure it's working correctly. In the bottom left of your screen, click Preview. This mode allows you to interact with your form as an end user would, so you can verify that the date field functions as expected. Once you've confirmed everything works properly, click Exit Preview in the upper right to return to editing mode. Finally, in the upper right corner, click the Save button to preserve all your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added an automatic date field to your fillable PDF form. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.